Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make one of my favorite cocktails. I say cocktails because I make it with either Heineken or with Corona. I'm not a big drinker. I don't really like beer, but for this, it's one of my favorite cocktails to have. I call it my Corona cocktail for this, recipe, but really you can use Heineken. I really do like this. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of beer. I'm not a drinker in general, but when I do, I like to have something a little bit fancy. But this with like the fruit and the juice from the fruit, it's really just nice to have for the fall, I would say. So I hope you guys enjoy. As always, be responsible. And if you like the video, give us a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now. You want to say hi? Say be responsible. Hi. Good job. Blow kiss. Blow kiss. Yay. All right, guys. Enjoy.